Meaning of innately.
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 Innately. Innately means that something is inherent or natural to a person or thing, rather than learned or acquired. It refers to traits, abilities, or characteristics that are present from birth or early in life and are part of their fundamental nature. For example, some people may be innately talented at music, while others may have an innately compassionate personality. Something that is innately present cannot be developed or taught through external factors. It is an intrinsic quality that shapes a person's behavior and actions throughout their lifetime.